Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this light that was sent out to me from HOTLIGH. It has a number of different light sources, emitters. You have an RGB light right here. You have a main light here. You also have a top light that also combines to a UV light. You have your control buttons here on the side, as you guys can see. It has a belt clip. This uses 2 batteries, and you can just kind of pop those guys out. 2 AA rechargeable batteries. They do come included. You have a magnetic surface here at the base. This is pretty much all metal. Your USB-C is right here. That's how you're going to charge this guy up. Again, super strong magnets. This is going to be ideal for working on your car or boat or motorcycle or whatever the case it is. Now, for me, this is ideal to put into one of my drone bags, one of my camera bags, because it gives me a variety of different lights. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these lights. So we have the UV light here on the top. If you double tap that, it'll turn on the main light. You can also press this, hold it down, and you can cycle through the temperature of the light so you can increase or decrease the amount of light coming out from it. You also have this main light right here, which is super bright. So let's go ahead and turn that on, as you guys can see. And you can do basically the same thing. You can adjust it by just pressing and holding the button to adjust the amount of light coming out from it. If you double tap, you'll turn on the RGB light that you guys see right here, and you can cycle through these different RGB lights, and you can have it set to whichever light you prefer. I love the fact that it has this type of creative lighting solution built into one light, all metal, magnets, multiple lights, multiple ways to mount this guy. I think this is going to be a win for a lot of people out there who are looking for an EDC light. This is right now magnetically connected to this desk. So yeah, this would be ideal for on the side of the road. If I had a breakdown or something like that, I need to change a tire, get under the hood, whatever the case it is, you know, being able to quickly turn the light on, switch through my different little RGB lights, which is kind of cool. So, you know, if you guys are into this type of tech, this nerdy tech, EDC tech, this is something I definitely recommend that you guys take a look at. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.